everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritukapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Orna Box for July month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. First of all, let me tell you, Orna Box has two different variants. I've already done the unboxing for blue box and now I'll be unboxing the green edition. The price for this one is 499 rupees plus the shipping, which is 50 rupees. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box so you guys can check it. Now let's quickly see what all beautiful jewelry I have got this time. So let's start with the first one, which is the most beautiful jewelry in the box, and this is the one. I loved it. I actually don't know where I'm going to wear it because, as you know, I don't really wear Indians that much, but this is so pretty. So this is one pair. You can just wear it like this. Just see, wow, this is looking so pretty. So I desperately just want to wear some Indian. I'm just looking for some occasion where I can just wear this one because it's so pretty, so pretty. I absolutely love it. Just see, wow, really pretty. So super happy with this one. Let me just wear it and show you the look. So you can just see it's looking so pretty, and right now I'm not really wear it properly. You can just imagine how beautiful this is going to look if I tie my hair, or let's say if I curl my hair or like properly straighten my hair. So the look is really pretty. I absolutely loved it. And one more thing, if you don't really want to wear it like this, fully, what you can do is you can just detach this thing. So you can just detach this chain and you can wear it like this, which is amazing. So you can just wear it like this or something like this. Oops, it's falling. So okay, for this actually you have to wear it properly, then only you will be able to make out the look. But oops, okay, right now it's stuck in my hair. Okay, so something like this. Wow, which is so pretty. So I love it, super happy, and I think for this earring you should buy this box. I'm super happy with this one. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is, let me show you this beautiful anklet which I've got. So this is the beautiful anklet. Really sleek, very pretty. I mean, it's very sleek. So yes, I like it. I love the sleek finish, and it's like double layer. So that is again really beautiful. So yes, super happy with this one as well. You can just see, okay, stars and then this. So this is the look. So yes, really pretty, very nice. I'm definitely going to wear this. So that's why I'm showing this. That's why I'm showing this on second number. Now, moving on to the next one. The next one is this beautiful pair of earrings. They are really beautiful. You can just see, and they are actually quite safe because you can just wear them with anything. They will just complement actually everything. They are oxidized silver, and this color is like reddish, you can say ruby or reddish pinkish kind of a shade. So this will go with everything. Let me just wear one and show you the look. So a safe earring, I would say. This is the look. So you can just see it's looking nice with my top as well. So yes, that's why I'm saying this, that these are safe earrings. So yes, happy with this. Now next is this beautiful ring, which is again for an Indian. Yeah, though I can wear this on a party dress, though I have to remove my ring. Wait. Okay, so this is the ring. Wow, look, really pretty, and the shine, you can just see the quality and everything. So yes, pretty. Now I'm left with the last one, and the last one is this pearl earring. So this is the one. Let me just wear one for you and show you the look. So this is how it looks, and these are again very safe. They will go with everything you wear, be it Indian, Western, top, kurti, everything. So they will go with everything. So yes, I like it. Gold and pearl is the color, and the look is actually very nice. So yes, this is the last one, and that's all what I've received in my Orna box, green box. price is 499 rupees plus the shipping. I will be mentioning everything in the description box. This box is available till 15th of August. So if you want this box, you guys have to hurry up. And if you ask me, my first favorite is of course this earring. I really like it. And as I've said, I actually don't know where to wear it, but I'm desperately looking for an occasion because these are really pretty. And yes, for this I have to actually see what hair style I'm gonna do. So yes, happy with this one. Thank you, Orna Box. This is really pretty. And if you ask other earrings, yes, the pearl one is really nice. Then the anklet is very useful. I'm definitely going to wear it, so yeah. And then ring is nice, then other two earrings are nice. So I think overall a good box. In 499, yes, it's a good box. So if you like it, go ahead and purchase your Orna Box for July month. That's all for today. And yes, wait, I will be I will be attaching a lookbook in the end, so stay connected for that. That's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye bye.